So hello guys and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different and we're going to be looking at trading versus investing inside of crypto. So imagine two people entering the crypto market on the same day. One checks the charts every hour, chasing quick profits, riding the waves of volatility. And then the other, they buy, hold, and barely look at the price. Fast forward 1 year, who made more money? The answer isn't as obvious as you think. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which strategy fits you. As you know, crypto has created millionaires overnight, but it has also wiped out people just as quickly. And the two main approaches dominate the space. Trading, which is fast-paced, high-intensity, short-term profit hunting, while investing is slow, strategic, and it's more of long-term wealth building. Well, both can make you money and both can lose you money, but they work in completely different ways. So let's just break down how this all works. So crypto trading is all about timing the market. You're buying and selling frequently, sometimes within minutes, hours, or days. Try to profit from the price movements. There are different styles: day trading, multiple trades in a single day. And we have swing trading, which is holding on for days or weeks. And then scalping, which is making tiny profits from rapid trades. The goal is kind of simple: buy low, sell high repeatedly. Sounds easy, right? But here's the reality: crypto markets are extremely volatile. Price can swing 10 to 20% in a single day. And to succeed as a trader, you need technical analysis skills, emotional control, time, well, a lot of time, and a solid strategy, because one bad trade can wipe out multiple wins. Whereas investing is the complete opposite mindset. Instead of chasing short-term price movements, you're betting on the long-term growth of crypto. You buy assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum and hold them for months or years. This strategy is often called hodling. Why does it work? Because historically, strong crypto projects tend to grow over time despite short-term volatility. Investors focus on fundamentals, that's like technology, adoption, and use cases. And they also focus on market trends and a long-term vision. They don't panic during dips. In fact, they often see dips as opportunities to buy more. And now the big question is, which one actually makes more money? Let's be honest, trading can make more money faster. A skilled trader can grow their portfolio quickly by compounding gains. But here's the catch: most traders lose money. It requires constant attention and mistakes are expensive. On the other hand, investing usually makes more money for most people over time. Why? Because it removes emotional decision making, it benefits from long-term market growth, and it doesn't require perfect timing. Think about this: if you had simply bought and held strong crypto assets over multiple years, you likely would have outperformed the majority of traders. So while trading has higher potential returns, investing has higher probability of success. And this is where things get interesting. Crypto isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology. Trading is emotionally intense. Fear when prices drop, greed when prices rise, and pressure to make quick decisions. Most traders end up overtrading, chasing losses, buying high and selling low. Investing, however, is calmer. You accept volatility and you trust the long-term trend. But it's not that easy either. Holding through a 50% drop takes discipline. So which one should you choose? That's the question you've got to ask yourself. Do you have time to monitor charts daily? Do you enjoy analyzing markets? And can you handle high stress? If yes, trading might suit you. But if you prefer simplicity, lower stress, and long-term growth, then investing is probably the better path. And here's what many of those smarter people do: they combine both. 80 to 90% in long-term investments and 10 to 20% for trading. This way, they can grow wealth steadily while still taking advantage of short-term opportunities. And at the end of the day, crypto isn't just about choosing the fastest way to make money. It's about choosing the strategy you can stick with, because consistency beats everything. So whether you trade, invest, or do both, make sure you understand the risks, stay disciplined, and always think long term. Because in crypto, survival is what leads to success. So by now, you guys should understand the difference between trading and investing inside of crypto. So if you found this useful, make sure to subscribe and drop a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.